Hi everyone, welcome back to the 8th episode of our YouTube series, The Basics of Short-Term Insurance. I'm Isak from Glenwood Brokers, and today I'm talking about something that puts you back in the driver's seat: risk management and loss minimization. Now, those might sound like fancy insurance terms, but really it's about taking back control before things go wrong. Let's break it down and talk about how small actions can save you big money and even save you on insurance premiums. Risk management simply means identifying what could go wrong and taking steps to reduce the chances of it happening. It's about being proactive instead of reactive. Think of it like this: you can't stop storms, theft, or accidents from existing, but you can control how prepared you are when they happen. Let's look at some practical examples. For homeowners, install burglar bars or an alarm system. Do checks and maintenance to your property, and keep a fire extinguisher handy. For drivers, service your car on time. Avoid texting while driving, and park in well lit, secure areas. For businesses, do regular safety checks on your equipment. Train your staff on fire safety and cybersecurity, and have proper backups for data and important files. These aren't just good habits, they're risk management in action. Loss minimization means reducing the impact of a loss after it happens. For example, if a pipe bursts in your home, turning off the water supply immediately can prevent thousands of rands in extra damage. Or if your business has a fire, having a fire extinguisher or sprinklers could save your entire building. It's about quick action to stop the situation from getting worse. Here's the best part: good risk management often leads to lower premiums. Why? Because insurers love responsible clients. When you take steps to protect your property, vehicle, or business, you're less likely to claim. And that means insurers reward you with discounts, lower excesses, or even better coverage options. So a little prevention really does go a long way. Here are a few quick tips you can start with today. Do a risk checklist. Identify what could go wrong at home or in your business. Maintain your property and vehicles. Prevention is cheaper than repair. Install safety devices, alarms, cameras, tracking systems. Back up your important documents and data. Review your insurance cover regularly with your broker, just to make sure it still fits your needs. So remember, risk management and loss minimization aren't just for big companies. They're simple, smart habits that anyone can use to protect what matters most. It's not just about avoiding claims, it's about peace of mind and taking control of your financial safety. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others stay smart about insurance. Thanks for watching. We see you in the next episode.